In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate average in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and find the list of numbers you want to work with. The first thing you need to do is click the empty cell where you want the average to appear. This is often placed just below your list, but it can be anywhere that makes sense for your worksheet. Choosing the output cell first helps keep your formula organized and makes the result easy to find later. Once that cell is selected, type equals average, and then an opening parenthesis. This tells Excel that you want to use the average function, which is designed to calculate the mean of a group of numbers. As soon as you type the opening parenthesis, Excel is ready for you to choose the values you want included in the calculation. Next, click and drag your mouse across the range of numbers you want to average. As you highlight the cells, Excel will insert that cell range into the formula for you. This is helpful because it reduces the chance of typing the wrong range manually. Make sure you only select the numbers you want included in the average so your result is accurate. After the range is highlighted, type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. At this point, your formula should include the function name and the selected range, wrapped correctly in parentheses. This tells Excel exactly what to calculate. Now press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the average of the selected numbers and display the result in the cell you chose earlier. This gives you a clean, reusable formula right in the worksheet, which is especially useful if your data may change later. There is also a quick way to verify the result without entering another formula. Highlight the same group of numbers again with your mouse. Then look at the very bottom right corner of the Excel window in the status bar. Excel often shows a few instant calculations there based on the selected cells. One of those values is average. Check that the average shown in the status bar matches the result you got from the formula. This is a useful way to confirm that your formula worked correctly and that you selected the right range of cells. That covers everything you need to know.